Welcome my friends back to another review. This is a portable monitor that we're going to be showing you guys and demonstrating how it works and what you get. Okay my friends, you get a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, you get a USB to Type-C cable, you get a Type-C to wall plug adapter, you get a Type-C to Type-C cable, and then you get another looks like Type-C to Type-C cable. So two of them. You get your manual and then your screen. It is a 17.3 inch monitor. This is what it looks like. This one looks like someone had cleaned it. Didn't really do a good job of cleaning it, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it ourselves. Okay, we went ahead and we cleaned it ourselves. Now the nice thing about this, it's magnetic backing, so you can actually take, sorry guys for the camera angle, you can actually take the monitor off from this if you wanted to. This also works as a stand, so you can have it up as a stand at different angles, which is pretty nice. On the side, you're going to have power, you're going to have volume and brightness and for changing your settings, and then AUX jack. On the other side, you're going to have two Type-C ports and then an HD port. I believe one, and then a micro port as well. Let's go ahead and plug everything in. Now, what you do is you plug in the mini HDMI cable into the HD port, and then that gets plugged in to a computer, a laptop, or any HDMI device or game system or something like that. And then what you need to do is you need to plug in one Type-C into, it's going to be either or, I'm not sure which one is the power supply. One of these is the power supply, so just play with it. Plug it in there, and then you're going to want to plug this into either a power source, a computer, wall outlet, and you could do it that way, or you can use a Type-C to Type-C cable. Plug in your Type-C and then plug in the Type-C into this wall adapter, then plug this into the wall for power. The other one is going to be for touchscreen if you want to use the touchscreen. That's, you guys can refer to your manual for that, but let's hook it up. Now, as you guys can see, we are using a power bank here to run this monitor and setup, and then we're going to be installing our game system here. Yes, this is the game system. Now, we plugged in the Type-C to Type-C and the bottom one, and that gave power to the monitor. And just like that. Now, because we have, we connected our mini HDMI right in here into this game device, and then we plugged our game device into our power bank for power. This Type-C cable is plugged in here for power, and it's that simple. That's it. Now let's see volume. Let's see here. Let's pick some games. There we go. Okay. So the audio is coming from this. And you can put in speakers into the AUX jack if you have speakers for it. Now we're using a retro system, so the graphics are retro. Let's play with some settings a little bit. The remote or the section you use for the volume to make it up and down, press it in, and that will allow you to then select different stuff here. We're gonna up the brightness a little bit. Let's see, what's DCR? We'll have to play with some. We'll keep it off. But yeah, you can play with all the settings and different stuff. Low temperature, Just go through all the settings, volume, mute, language, reset, and just all that fun stuff. Yeah, it's a great monitor. As you guys see, I mean, it works great. Oops. I'm just not good with one hand. But yeah, everything's connected, everything's great. Monitor is beautiful. It's going to work great for our custom project build that we're working on here. No complaints on my end, my friends. This is fun. Gotcha! Haha. Yeah, so you can hook this up to, I mean, anything really. And let me actually turn off this. There we go. Pause it. How this works is you can actually use anything with a micro HDMI or your own custom setup as well. Like, you guys can play with this and do all kinds of stuff with this monitor. It's a lot of fun.